Did you know 90% of new crypto investors lose money because of silly mistakes that can be avoided? Don't let your wallet evaporate. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 most common mistakes and how to fix them. Watch until the end to protect your money. Hello, I'm Adam from CryptoPulse, the channel that helps you master crypto knowledge and investment strategies. If you're a beginner or looking to improve your investing skills, this video is your guide. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay updated with great tips from CryptoPulse. Mistake number 1, FOMO, fear of missing out. When a coin like Pepe Coin or Dogecoin skyrockets, you jump in and buy without research. The result? The price peaks, you buy, and then it crashes hard. How to avoid? Research the project before investing. Ask, what problem does this coin solve? Is the development team credible? Don't let emotions control your wallet. Mistake number 2, putting all your money into one coin. If that coin crashes, you lose everything. How to avoid? Spread your capital across multiple coins, e.g. 50% Bitcoin, 30% Ethereum, 20% altcoins. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and always set a stop-loss order to protect your capital. Mistake number 3, falling for promises of super high profits from pump and dump groups or scam projects. If someone says invest 1, get 10, run away. How to avoid? Only trust projects with a clear white paper, transparent team, and credible community. Mistake number 4, investing without understanding what blockchain is. Crypto isn't just money, it's technology. Understanding the basics of blockchain helps you evaluate projects better. How to avoid? Spend an hour learning about blockchain. CryptoPulse will have a dedicated video on this topic, so stay tuned. Final mistake, selling in a panic when the market turns red. When Bitcoin drops 20%, you freak out and sell at a loss. But crypto is volatile, and prices often recover. How to avoid? Stay calm and focus on the long-term value of the project. If you believe in the coin's potential, HODL. Those are the 5 most common mistakes in crypto investing. Avoid them and you'll have a better chance of success. Have you ever made any of these mistakes? Comment below to let me know. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell to get more investing tips from CryptoPulse. See you in the next video.